decided to record a bonus problem because this can be kind of tricky. So, again, our first step is that everywhere there's an A, you're going to substitute in -2. Everywhere is a B, you're going to substitute in -3. So that's my first step. I'm going to have 5 -2 plus 3, 2, -2, -3, -1. All right. This is tricky, like straight up tricky, because there's a lot going on here. If we do our PEMDAS, we have parentheses inside the absolute value line. So we are going to do a second round of PEMDAS, right? So we go, all right, there's no extra parentheses in there besides the ones that we put in for substitution, and those don't count. There's no exponent, but there is multiplication and division. So my next step after that is we're going to ignore everything outside of those parentheses, right? 2 times -2 times -3, put that in the calculator, it's 12. All right. We still have stuff in the parentheses. We have addition and subtraction. So my next step is going to be that 12 minus 1 is 11. Now that we've finished this second round of PEMDAS, we can go back up to our main parenthesis. Do you guys see any exponents? No? Do you guys see any multiplication or division? Yes, I see multiplication and division right here. So I'm going to do this right here first. So my next step is going to be that 5 times -2 is -10. I also have some multiplication here. 3 times 11 is 33. All right, so we do addition and subtraction next. -10 plus 33. That's all that's left. Well, there's a little bit more, but don't worry. -10 plus 33 is 23. Now, this is where it can get kind of tricky because you could just plug this in a calculator, but also, here's the thing. Absolute values make everything positive, but there's a negative sign outside of that. So what's going to happen is that negative sign is still going to be there, and then the absolute value is going to make the 23, 23. So there was a lot of steps to that. There was an extra set of parentheses, but you take it step by step by step, and it's not impossible, I promise.